Zimbabwe.
How are you people of Zimbabwe?
Linjani bantu beZimbabwe.
Ndinotenda kudzoka pamuri zvakare saEmbara munhu Mutapa ndiri king ine Mutapa.
I thank you very much. I've come once again as Embara King Mwene Mutapa to update you on the following.
Sengiphendukile njalo ngingu-king munhu Mutapa njalo ngingu-emperor munhu Mutapa.
Vazhinji venyu maingonzwa nyaya dzekunzi ndaka-undermine office of the president and cabinet.
A lot of you have been hearing that I have undermined the office of the president.
Abanye benu bonke belisizwa kuthiwa ngadelela ihofisi kamongameli.
Ndinotenda ndakaconvictwa mswa 16 December 2024.
I thank you very much. I was convicted on the 16th of November 2020.
16 December 2024.
16 December 2024.
Ngabotshwa mhla ka-16 December 2024.
Saka nyaya yedu yazokwanisa kupera nhasi ndikaconvictwa futi kuti ndichienda mujere musi wa 8 November 2025.
I was convicted again on the 18th of November 2025.
Ndikakwanisa kutongwa 10 months, 2 months suspended.
I was convicted for 10 months and 2 months were suspended.
Ngabotshwa njalo mhla ka-18 November. Ngasuka lapho ngahlala ejele inyanga ezimbili zonke ngiphakathi.
Ndikakwanisa kugaramo kwe-3 months mujele.
I stayed in the prison for 3 months.
Ngahlala inyanga ezintathu phakathi ejele.
Ndikakwanisa kubuda nebail musi wa 3 February.
I was let out of the jail on the 3rd of February on bail condition.
Ngaphuma mhla ka-3 February 2026 ngebheyili.
Saka nyaya yazopera nhasi musi wa 20.
My case has been finalized today, 20 February 2026.
Indaba yami iphele namuhla mhla ka-20 February 2026.
Ndichiwanikwa ndisina mhosva.
I have been found not guilty to the charges which were laid against me.
Ngitholakale ngingalacala kukho konke ade bengitsho khona.
Ku High Court of Zimbabwe.
This has been done at the High Court of Zimbabwe.
Kwenzakale ecourt enkulu yaseZimbabwe.
Ku High Court of Zimbabwe.
High Court yeZimbabwe.
Ndinotenda dare guru re-High Court of Zimbabwe.
I give much thanks to the High Court of Zimbabwe for giving me a fair judgment.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ku High Court yeZimbabwe.
Nekuda kwe-justice yavaratidza panyaya yangu yandanga ndichipomerwa kuti ndaka-undermine office of the president.
They have shown their utmost fairness in judgment as they've judged me fairly on the case I was being alleged to have committed.
Ngenxa yokuthi batshengisele ukuthi angilacala, ngiyababonga i-High Court of Zimbabwe.
Yakanga yatongwa ne-lower court inova Rotten Row.
My case had been judged by the lower court at Rotten Row Court, and the judgment there was not fair for me.
Eyayitongwe i-Rotten Row i-Magistrate Court babengayenzanga ngemfanelo.
Zvichiratidza kusiyana kwematari.
This shows the difference of our courts in Zimbabwe.
Lokho kutshengisa umahluko ngamakhoti eZimbabwe.
Ndinotenderana nazvo kuti majaji vanotonga justice.
I agree with the truth that High Court judges really gives a fair judgment to all people who appeal for their cases.
Ngiyavuma kakhulu ukuthi ojaji beZimbabwe benelisa ukuhlahlula indaba ngeqiniso.
Ndoje High Court of Zimbabwe ndoje yakandigranda kuti ndive king.
It is the same High Court of Zimbabwe which granted me the kingship I have, and they gave me an order by consent for this kingship.
Njalo le koti ye High Court of Zimbabwe yiyo njalo eyangibeka ubukhosi bokuba inkosi yeZimbabwe ngokusemthethweni ngokunginika incwadi esemthethweni.
Ndo court order yandakagrandwa zviri pamutemo 2022.
This is the High Court order I've been granted in 2022 by the same High Court of Zimbabwe that I am King Munomutapa.
Yilo leli iphepha ebangipha lona incwadi leyi esemthethweni eyokuthi nginguking ngokusemthethweni.
And the order by consent.
This is an order by consent.
Njalo yikho order by consent.
Order by consent inoreva chitenderano chegovernment na king neMutapa achife chakadzimuka forever and ever.
This order by consent is an agreement between His Majesty King Munomutapa and the government of Zimbabwe. Therefore, it will not be taken away from the system of our judiciary service.
Order by consent le ichukuthi yisivumelwano phakathi kwenkosi uMunumtapa le hulumende weZimbabwe ukuthi uyinkosi ngokusemthethweni njalo ayisoziphinde iciche izaba khona ngokungapheliyo.
Pamsoro pe order ye High Court of Zimbabwe the Africa yakaenda mberi ikandigadza kuti ndive embara Munomutapa.
On top of this High Court order from High Court of Zimbabwe, Africa has also gone further to give me an order in recognition as Embara Munomutapa.
Phezu kwe order engayiphiwa yi High Court, iAfrica ingibekile njalo ukuba nguempara weAfrica. Yangigcoba yanginika lesi sithupha esikhona lapha.
Ndinotenda nichitenderano chakaitwa neAfrica kuti vakwanise kundinyorera gwaro reorder rekuti ndokwanisa kufamba kwese kwandada vachiziva kuti ndava embara wenyika.
I thank the African kingdoms who have agreed to certify that I am a real Embara King Munomutapa. For this certificate has allowed me to travel around Africa without any hassle.
Ngibonga iAfrica yokunika lesi sithupha esokuba nguempara okuthi ukuthi ngivunyelwe ukuhamba iAfrica ngikhululekile njengomAfrican.
Ndichitendazve kumaditeteguru angu akaona zvakakodzera kuti ndive embara and King Munomutapa from Zimbabwe.
I also thank my ancestral spirits and all ancestors of my generation. They have allowed me to be king and also to be Emperor of Africa.
Ngibonga njalo usendo lwami amadlozi akithi okuthi bangivumele bangikhokhelela emsebenzini lo wokuba nguempara weAfrica.
Ndichitendazve kuprison kuHarare Central Prison kwandandiri mabhanditi ose akagara pasi akaona zvakakodzera akanzvera nyaya semabhanditi kunyangwe zvavo vanga vari vasungwa vakakwanisa kundidrowa as a king Munomutapa ikakwanisa kudhindwa neHarare Central Prison kuti zvichiratidza kuti ndine nhoroondo yandasiya zvinova ndakadrowewa kuti muone vakadrowa neHarare Central Prison yacho ikadhinda ichiotendeka kuti zvaitwa pano.
I would like also to convey my greatest honor to the Central Prison prisoners who have, after having discussed with me in the prison that I am the real King Mono Mutapa, they honored me with the drawing you have just been shown, and the Central Prison also stamped to officiate this document as true that His Majesty has been honored by his other inmates in the prison in sympathy of his incarceration.
Ngithanda ukubonga njalo iHarare Central Prison lapha ngikhona izibotshwa zonke eziphakathi zithabile kakhulu kuba lazo khona ngale zangibonga ngokuthi zingidwebe umfanekiso okubonga ukuthi babe lami khona ngale bese kusithi ama officers akhona ngale asedinda ngesidindo ngokusemthethweni ukuthi hayi ngidwetshwe yizibotshwa.
Ndichitendazve vana veZimbabwe ndichiti makorokoto Constitution of Zimbabwe Kingdom is still valid. Yane 8 months hapana kakwanisa kuicontesta vanhu vakabvumira nezvairi. So Constitution of Zimbabwe Kingdom is legally binding.
I would also like to thank sons and daughters of Zimbabwe for grabbing and receive the Constitution of Zimbabwe Kingdom. It was launched in July last year, and now it has reached 8 months without any contestation from any corners of our country. Therefore, it's legally binding. That is now the real constitution of the Kingdom of Zimbabwe.
Ngibonga njalo kuzizalwane zeZimbabwe bengabantwana beZimbabwe ngisithi ngamhlophe ngoba iconstitution ibhuku lomthetho oweZimbabwe Kingdom lokho linjalo lingokusemthethweni ngoba selikwanise izinyanga ezificamnwembili lokho lingaphikiswanga.
Saka ndinotenda ruzhinji rweZimbabwe nekutambira this Constitution of Zimbabwe Kingdom is now legally binding, so Zimbabwe is officially a kingdom.
I thank you, sons and daughters of Zimbabwe, that this Constitution of Zimbabwe Kingdom has been accepted in our country. Therefore, it's declared officially the Constitution of Zimbabwe Kingdom.
Ngibonga njalo ukuthi incwadi yethu okusemthethweni iconstitution lokho ikhona isingokusemthethweni njalo ingokusemthethweni kuZimbabwe Kingdom.
So ndinotenda neritsigiro rwakapuwa nevana venyika uye ndichida kuzivisa the United Nations yakati ndau nemaembassy ese kuti Zimbabwe is now legally a kingdom.
As you see on the Constitution, it has been received well by all countries. Like United Nations has stamped in affirmation of this Constitution, and all the departments of the government have signed. As you can see, I think if you recall very well on the previous interview, the Constitution was circulated, and you have noticed that all government departments have certified it as the rightful constitution for the Kingdom of Zimbabwe.
I-constitution iphepha incwadi yethu yokusemthethweni siyabonga ukuthi lokho ikhona njalo yadindwa yi-United Nations lengadi zikahulumende eziningi phakathi eZimbabwe ukuthi incwadi esemthethweni ngokusemthethweni.
Ndirizve kudesk re Pan-African Tourism Board vakakwanisa kundisa kudesk remaking ndiriwo a shareholder ku Pan-Africa Tourism ndakaijoinawo vakakwanisa kundigamushira vakakwanisa kundisa kudesk rePan-Africa Tourism Board rina president anotungamira muAfrica yose vachiaccepta kuti ndive munhu ane chigaro kuTourism Board kuPan-African. They accept.
I've also been honored by the Tourism Board of Africa, Pan-African Tourism Board of Africa, at the Royal Desk of Kings for Africa. They have honored me to be the leader of the 10 kings who chair the Royal Desk of the Tourism Board. So in that, they've also signed me to their platform, as you can see on the document His Majesty is holding. So he's also a recognized member and a shareholder to Pan-African Tourism Board, led by the President of Africa for all tourism or tourism institutions in Africa.
Ngibonga njalo ukuba ingxenye ye-Pan African Tourism Board. Ngibonga njalo ukuthi ngiyingxenye yezinkosi ezilithumi ezakhethwayo ukuba ku-Pan African Tourism Board.
Zvisinei kuti vazondirisa ndisina kana mhosva, ndakakonvictwa ndisina kana mhosva, ndakagara mujere ndisina kana mhosva. Ndizvo zvinoita madzimambo, madziteteguru angu, vana vamunhu Mutapa, ndokushungurudzwa kwavaitwawo mukati mekurarama.
Though I have been convicted and incarcerated for no genuine reason, I will appreciate it because even my forefathers, my ancestors, have also been facing the same problem of being incarcerated without any case they have committed. That's how kingship is attained. So I accept what I have endured as king because I know I was supposed to go through that way.
Ngibonga njalo ukuba amadlozi akithi omunhu Mutapa bangimele ekubotshweni kwami kungasenani njengoba ngibotshiwe kwadlula labo vele babehlukuluzwa ukuze ubukhosi buhlale kuhle akusenani.
Ndichitenda kubva kuna Chief Justice kusvikira kuma President eHigh Court of Zimbabwe kusvikira kune vese vanoshanda muJudicial Service Commission. Ndichitenda kuti chokwadi chabuda uye justice yabudira muZimbabwe.
I would like to confirm my gratitude to the Chief Justice, the President of the High Court, all judges, for they have given me the truth that at High Court of Zimbabwe you can get fair judgment. I'm happy and I praise them to keep on doing good judgment like that in whatever case they are holding to the people of Zimbabwe.
Ngibonga ugatsha lwabo judge beZimbabwe. Ngibonga kakhulu ngomsebenzi omuhle abawenzileyo okukhupha iqiniso egcekeni njengoba linjalo ngemva kokwenzelwa into engayisiyo kodwa benza iqiniso lavela egcekeni. Ngiyababonga ngomsebenzi omuhle kangaka.
Ndichandira mberi ndichishandira nyika yedu yeZimbabwe Kingdom.
I will go ahead working for the betterment of our people for Zimbabwe Kingdom from now onwards.
Ngizaqhubekela phambili, ngisazoqhubekela phambili, ngisebenzela isizwe sami seZimbabwe.
Ndichendera mberi ndichibatanidza nyika, chibatanidza marudzi ose emuAfrica kuti tizova chinhu chimwe chete tichiteedzera tsika dzedu dzechivanhu tichiti ndatirambei takabatira mutsika dzedu ngatisapunzwai nezvinouya zvichipunza asi tirambe takabatira mutsika dzedu nechivanhu chedu.
From today onwards, I will forge ahead in implementing a welfare of our people, uniting Zimbabweans and uniting Africa as a whole. I encourage all people in Zimbabwe and Africa at large to keep united and to unite all tribes and all kind of people we have in Africa, spiritually, ancestrally, so that we maintain our dignity as Africans.
Ngithanda ukuthi ngiqhubekele phambili ngigqugquzela ukuba singama African sibambane siqhube isintu sethu njengoba singabantu besintu. Ngizafundisa njalo kabanzi ngesintu sethu ukuthi sibe siye phambili sigcine usiko lwethu.
Ndichitenda vano mirira chokwadi vakanga kandimirira vaimira nezvokwadi kusvika chokwadi chasadziwa seizvozvi. Ndichinyanya kutenda madziteteguru angu kuti ndakabuda ndiri mupenyu ndisina vanga ndakasimba seizvozvi ndichaenderera mberi nebasa.
I would like to thank those who have stood with me during these difficult times. I convey my gratitude to them, and I also want to thank my ancestors who kept me safe when I was incarcerated. I never encountered any problem while in prison. I came out in good health, so I thank my ancestral spirit so much.
Ngibonga njalo ukuba kulabo abangisekeleyo abahlale lami eqinisweni. Ngibonga njalo lamadlozi akithi angisizileyo engikhokhelela ebunzimeni engibe kubo. Nanku ngiphume ngiphila ngingala ngitsho inxeba.
Ndichizasa nchiti vana veZimbabwe Kingdom ngatishandire pamwe chete, chitamuonera pamwe chete, zvinhu zvechichita mubatira pamwe chete kuti nyika yedu igowandwa ichinobudirira chishanda pamwe chete.
To sons and daughters of Zimbabwe and anybody living in Zimbabwe, I encourage you to be united, work together for the prosperity of our nation. Let's keep on maintaining our humanity as a family of the Kingdom of Zimbabwe.
Ngisithi njalo bantwana beZimbabwe asaleni sisebenza ndawonye sibambene simoya munye sisenza into eyodwa.
Ndinotenda.
I thank you very much. I thank you very much.
Ngiyabonga bayethe.